This video is going to cover our limited edition Mary Kay at Play mini liquid matte lip color kits. It's a mouthful. We have two of them. There's two colors in each set and we have two sets. So one set has Taupe That and Red Envy. And then the other set has Red Alert and Berry Strong. So Red Alert and Berry Strong, Taupe That, and Red Envy. Oh, they're all out of focus. So I'm actually going to be demoing these two today. So they're minis, but there's a lot of product in here. It'll take me a long time to go through these. So they are liquid lipstick basically, and they're matte. So they're going to go on liquid obviously, and then give them a few minutes, and then they'll kind of like set into a mattified finish. Unlike our lip stains, these ones do have some transferability. Or our lip lacquer kits I did a video on before, they like once it's on and it doesn't go anywhere, it doesn't get on anything. These are lipsticks, so there's a little bit of transfer, but because they're matte and they do like have better drying properties, they do stay on a little bit better too. So I've experimented around with each of these colors. Neither one of them is a good shade on me personally alone, but I like to blend them together. So depending on if I want a really dark lip or a not so dark lip, I will alter which shade I start with. So for bolder lip, I'll start with a red and then blend in some of the Taupe That. But if I want a less of an intense lip, I will start with this shade and then blend in some of this. So that's what I'm going to do for this video here. So test my liquid lipstick application skills on camera. I haven't done it on camera before, so here we go. So I've got it, just pulled it out here, and it's gonna look like I'm putting concealer on my lips at first, I'm pretty sure, but that's all right. Okay. So as you can tell, and I'll touch it up, this color like disappears into my skin in a very strange way. So not a good shade alone for me, but I'll finish up my lips and then show you how I changed the colors. Okay, so I finished doing my lips in the Taupe That color, and now I'm going to come in with Red Envy and darken it up because I'm not a fan of this shade alone, but it looks pretty good blended together. So what I do, if I don't want too much darkness, I just tap on a couple dots of this color, and then I use my finger to just blend because it's not fully dry. Like it doesn't like completely dry because it's still a lipstick. I can just blend them in with my finger. You can use a brush or tool if you want as well, but I'll use my finger. Just go like this. And just like that, it's already a more natural looking lip color. But I don't think that was enough, so I'm gonna go add a little more. And I basically keep repeating this process until I have the shade that I am wanting. So, dot and blend. Okay, I think that's pretty good. So I'll also do my top lip because that would look silly without. And this might be harder to blend here. Let's see. Oh, no, that's fine. Okay, so I finished blending my two colors together, and I'm happy with the way this color looks. I think it's a nice, pretty fall color, pretty, not too bold, but not too weak either. But yeah, it's super versatile. You can get, you know, everything from super pale to super dark with these two, and then the other two colors are more of a, like they have more blue undertones. So this is like Fire Engine Red here, and then a berry shade. So more purples and blues, and this one is more like brick red, and then like with brown undertones instead of berry and blue. So that is our mini matte liquid lip color kits. These super fun tools, and they make it for gifting. Split them up, keep them together, whatever you want. Mix and match however you please. And they're also super easy because they come with two. It's fun to do the lip look where, what am I looking for words? where you apply a lighter color like right on the inside of your lips, almost like an ombre lip color, and it actually helps give your lips the look of being like more full and plump. So easy to do since they're nicely paired together this way too. And same idea, just dot on a little bit, blend it in until you're happy with how it looks. But that's our lip color kits.